The complex structure of vegetation has been identified as important within an ecosystem as it provides critical habitat resources for a variety of fauna species. The frequency of fire and logging have a strong influence on this complex structure and often result in the decline of relative abundance and distribution of many fauna species. The aim of this study was to use fauna surveys and a variety of trapping techniques to determine the abundance of vertebrate fauna species within the Helidon Hills area and to determine the effect of fire and logging on the abundance and distribution of an arboreal marsupial species. Surveys were undertaken at 5 properties within the Helidon Hills area, located approximately 100 kilometres west of Brisbane and covering approximately 335 square kilometres of land. The properties used were Hagedorn, Burkett, Velma, Ergon West and Ergon East. Elliott traps, cage traps, pitfall traps and soil plots were used to sample these properties over 3 consecutive nights. An equal number of transects were established at each site. 8 Elliott trap lines consisting of 10 Elliott traps, 5 cage trap lines consisting of 8 cages, 3 pitfall lines consisting of 5 pitfall traps and 5 passive soil plot lines were established on each property. 4 out of the 5 passive soil plot lines consisted of 10 soil plots, while the other one consisted of 6. A total of 43 individuals consisting of 33 mammals, 4 amphibians and 3 reptiles were caught over a total of 1,459 trap nights. This indicates that Helidon Hills contains a diverse range of fauna species. The major finding of this study was that the most common species captured was the common brushtail possum. 17 individuals were caught on 3 unlocked sites, with 2 properties subjected to low fire frequency and the other subjected to high fire frequency. Statistical data analysis based on the calculated mean relative abundance of possums per 100 trap nights indicated that there was no significance between the relative abundance and distribution of possums on logged and unlogged sites. Statistical data analysis did, however, reveal that there was a significant effect of fire frequency on the relative abundance and distribution of possums. The results of fire frequency are supported by previous studies which state that arboreal marsupials are susceptible to human habitat disturbances that reduce the availability of tree hollows required for shelter and breeding. Therefore, they are more likely to occur in areas where tree hollows are abundant and less likely to occur in the absence of these. This suggests that logging should have a significant effect on the relative abundance of possums. It is possible that this result on logging, however, is a result of insufficient data collection, as this study is subjected to undersampling. Future studies should aim to collect more data on arboreal marsupial species within logged and unlogged areas to positively determine the effect of logging. The understanding of overall fauna diversity at Helidon Hills and the effect of fire frequency and logging on arboreal marsupial species is essential for proper management strategies to be implemented for conservational and ecological purposes.